Ikinatuwa ng mga fans ng actress na si Chris Bernal ang pagpapasilip nito sa bagong silang niyang anak na si Hailey Luca. Ayon sa pagsisiwalat ni Chris Bernal, 15 days na mula nang isilang niya ito. Ayon pa kay Chris Bernal, maituturing niyang most magical days ng kanilang buhay na makasama ang anak nila ni Terry Choi. Ibinahagi pa ni Chris Bernal na handa niyang balikan ang pinagdaanan niyang hardest labor para makasama niya ang kanilang anak. 15 days with our #Little Sunshine at Hailey Luca, and it has been the most magical days of our lives. After the longest pregnancy and hardest labor, I would do it over so many times to meet my #Little Sunshine. The bond between a mother and child is one of the strongest in existence. I'm so in love. It is a kind of love that is never understood until it happens to you. My heart is so full and becoming a mother is the most